Hello students, welcome in today's class. We were doing chapter 4, that is linear equations in two variables. We had already done exercise 4.1. We will do exercise 4.3, question number second. What is our question? Give the equations of two lines passing through point 2, 14. How many more such lines are there and why? Students, we know that infinite lines can be drawn through a point. So we have given a point coordinate of a point, that is 2, 14. So how many more such lines are there? So infinite lines can be drawn through a point. Clear? Now we have to find the equations of two lines passing through 2, 14. As we already know about it that infinite lines can be drawn, then there will be infinite equations of those lines, but we have to find only two lines. So students, we can establish a relation between 2, 14, 2 and 14. So if you want to add them, so 2 plus 14, it is the x and it is y, because the coordinate is always in x, y. So let x is 2, y is 14. So if you want to add 2 plus 14, 2 and 14, so it will be 16. So we can take an equation as x plus y is equal to 16. Similarly, we can multiply by any number, we can divide by any number, then we can make many equations like this. Similarly, we can make another equation like if you want to subtract 2 and 14, so 2 minus 14, it will be minus 12. Clear? Our question is, if the point 3, 4 lies on the graph of the equation 3y equal to ax plus 7, find the value of a. Students, we have to find the value of a, but it is already given that this point 3, 4 lies on this line. If 3, 4 lies on this line, then it must satisfy the given equation. That means we can put x equal to 3 and y equal to 4 in the given equation. So if we put y, value of y is 4, so it will be 3y is equal to ax, x means 3 plus 7. So 4 3s are 12 and a into 3, that is 3a plus 7. So 4 3s are 12, 3a plus 7, this 7 will be shifted there. So 12 minus 7, that is 5, 3a equal to 5, then value of a will be 5 upon 3. Clear? The question is, the taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer, the fare is rupees 8, and for the subsequent distance, it is rupees 5 per kilometer. Taking the distance covered as x kilometer and total fare as y, write a linear equation for this information and draw its graph. Students, it is very most important question. First of all, it is first we are writing the given informations. We have given these informations. Fare for first kilometer is rupees 8. Fare for subsequent distance is rupees 5, and total distance is x kilometer, total fare is y kilometer. Clear? So students, how can we find the total fare? Total fare will be equal to fare for first kilometer, that is rupees 8, plus fare for subsequent distances and multiply by 5, because each kilometer distance rupees 5 will be there. So if subsequent distance is 10, so 10 into 5, that will be 50. Clear? Students, fare for first kilometer, that is rupees 8, it is already given. Now total distance is x. Now 1 kilometer has been covered, that's why we are taking rupees 8 for first kilometer. So remaining distance will be x minus 1, and 5 rupees for per kilometer. So for x minus 1 distance, the total fare will be 5 into x minus 1. 5 multiplied by x, that is 5x, and minus 1, that means minus 5. So 8 minus 5, that is 3. So equation will be y equal to 5x plus 3. Clear? Now if we want to convert this one into standard form of equation, that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, then y can be shifted there. Now students, we have to draw the graph of this equation because the last line is draw its graph. So equation is y equal to 5x plus 3 and we have to draw the graph. We had already done these types of questions in question number first of exercise 4.3. Now again we have to draw the graph. So we will make the table. We have the equation y equal to 5x plus 3. We can put any 2 or 3 values at the place of x. So I am putting 0, 1 and minus 1. If we put 0 here, so 0 into 5 it will be 0 and 0 plus 3 it will be 3. So value of y will be 3. You can check here. Similarly, we can put 1, we can put minus 1. We have to take any 2 or 3 values. It is not necessary that we have to take only 0, 1 and minus 1. We can take any value. We can put 10 also. We can put 1000 also. Clear? The graph of this one. This is our graph. So first point is 0, comma 3. X is 0, y is 3. This point will be there. So this point is 0, comma 3. Similarly, 1, comma 8. 1, comma 8. And last one is minus 1, comma minus 2. If we join these points, then we will have a straight line. That is our question. Because the equation was y equal to 5x plus 3. So that is our answer. Next. From the choices given below, choose the equation whose graph are given in figure 1 and figure 2. Students, we have given, first we have given 4 equations and we have given a figure like this. We have to find what is the equation of this line. Equation of this line. So we have to choose the equation from these 4 columns. Y equal to x, x plus y equal to 0, y equal to 2x and 2 plus 3y equal to 7x. Students, we will satisfy the points in the every equation. If all 3 points will be satisfied in these equations, then that equation will be for this line. So our first point is 1, comma minus 1. First equation is y equal to x. That means x and y both are equal. Check it. It is x 1, it is y minus 1. It is not equal. That means first is not our answer. Second is x plus y equal to 0. We have to add x and y. Answer should be 0. 1 minus 1. It is 0. Yes, it is true for this point. Now we will check for second. 0 plus 0 is what? 0. Yes, it is correct. And minus 1 plus 1 is what? 0. So that means the second option is correct. Clear? Now again we have given the second type also. This is the figure. Again we have to find the equation of this line. The first is y equal to x plus 2. That means we add 2 in x. The value should be y. Here x is 2. So 2 plus 2 is what? 4. But here y is 0. So it is not 4. So first is not our answer. Now second, y is equal to x minus 2. So x is 2. 2 minus 2 is what? 0. Yes, 0 is there. Now for this case, x is 0. So we have to subtract 2 from x. So 0 minus 2 it will be minus 2. But y is 2 here. So it is not correct. Now third one, y is equal to minus x plus 2. Or we can say 2 minus x. 2 minus x. So 2 minus 2, that is 0. Yes, 0. 2 minus 0. 2 minus x. So 2 minus 0 is 2. Yes. 2 minus minus 1. So it will be 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. That means our third option is clear. Okay, thank you very much, students. Stay home, stay safe.